Is March 12th. These are the things that are blooming in my garden right now. I'm just starting to bloom. Look at all the things that are poking their heads above the ground, though. These here are poppies, and it's the same poppies that veterans sell, the imitation poppies. These are the real ones, because in Flanders Field in World War I, the ground had been so torn up that after the war, all these fields, all these poppies started blooming because of the seeds. These poppies reseed themselves in the middle of the year. They bloom early in the spring and then reseed themselves in the middle of the year. The seeds last. They germinate in the middle of the year and have like little seedlings. Then they overwinter. So while they might look like perennials because they keep coming back every year, they are actually annuals. They're what gardeners call hardy annuals, because even though their lifespan is only 1 year long, they overwinter. So the plants start seedlings in the last part of the summer. Then they start growing again in the winter. These here, I'm going to guess, are mystery lilies, because they send up foliage in the spring like this, and then around July or so it dies back, and then around July or August a shoot just comes up, a flower stalk just comes up, and it blooms without any foliage around it. And so they call them mystery lilies, or some people call them naked ladies. There's actually lots of different common names for them. A lot of times I've thought that they are hard to tell from daffodils. I think they have the rounded tips, and I think these are going to be daffodils, and then these are going to be the mystery lilies right here, or the magic lilies, whatever you want to call them. I think the tips are rounded, and that's going to be my guess as the difference. So these are daffodils, these are mystery lilies. That's my guess. And of course these here are going to be tulips. Here's some crocuses blooming. They're not quite open now. Crocuses open and close every day to protect the inside flower parts from the snow and weather. So that's why they're closed right now. Several years ago I planted some different kinds of sedum from Menards. They're rather lows. There's a big trim, and I put it right in there. And it's kind of getting separate like this here. Come over here. I think it's kind of cool with it next to the rocks. Here's a hen and chicks. This doesn't seem to do as well out here as I thought it would, because this gets full sun in the summer on this bed here. Here's where I had all of that trumpet vine growing, and I just cut everything down and mowed it all last summer long. And some tulips came back that were grown in here. There's some more. Looks like an iris. and these look like daffodils. I'm not going to dig them up though, because I don't want to be transplanting trumpet vines. And here's more tulips and things in here. This is kind of a weed, but I let it grow because it has a pretty purple flower, creeping Jenny, that's what they call it. Creeping, pretty purple flowers in the spring. So I don't get rid of all of them. These are snowdrops. They're one of the first things to bloom. You can see everything else coming up. All these crocuses in here. Oh, here's all the crocuses blooming here. So those are kind of closed. Here's more crocuses. And this is March 12th here in Zone 5. It's kind of chilly out now. I think it's only about 30 or 40 degrees. Here's some more crocuses here. Here's some more. I like to keep a lot of organic material in my flower bed. That's like the leaves and grass and things. And I'm lucky enough to have this big, huge maple tree here. I planted 30 years ago. I think it's more than 30. And when I first planted it, it was just one stick. And squirrels or rabbits or somebody come and nibbled it off. And that's why it's all forked off, and lots of different ones like that. There's crocuses blooming all over the place in here. This here is from my wife's grandfather's house, and she has lots of cousins, and so one of their grandkids gave this to him, and it was always sitting by the fireplace in their house. So we don't know which one of us it was that gave that to him, but we got it here, and so I thought this was a good place to put it. There's tons of daffodils over here. So these must be misty lilies, and these must be daffodils. The daffodils are pointed. I'm pretty sure that these are tulips. When they push up the leaves like that. I've been thinking about taking these chairs apart and making planters. There's some more crocuses over here. There's a snowdrop right there. Oh, I remember now I put these crocuses out in the yard. They were open the other day. They must be cold today because it's so cold. I don't know. But they were open the other day. Here's another flower bed. I transplanted these poppies over here and they're taking off. And there's some crocuses in there. There's a lot of mystery lilies over here. There's some more crocuses there. So that's the only thing I've got blooming so far is crocuses and snowdrops. Okay, so that is March 12th, and that's what's blooming in my garden. And if you like this video at all, please like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, and I'll talk to you next time. I think this is a hardy lily that's coming up right there. So I have a lot of these tall hardy lilies in here. Oriental hybrid lilies. If you keep watching this summer, I'll show you what they look like when they're blooming. And if I get enough viewers on my channel, I'll buy a whole bunch more of them, and I'd like to fill up this whole side over here with hardy lilies like that. That would be so pretty. I've got a whole bunch of daylilies in here too. There's only so many daylilies in here that there's not much else I can plant. Much room to plant things. These right here are alpine strawberries. The birds love those. I'll let them grow in there. I've got bird in the bush in through here, but it's not up yet. Okay, well, thanks a lot for watching, and if you can, please subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.